G'day, today I'm at the Wuben factory with Edison. G'day.
Hello everyone, I'm Edison. Welcome to Wuben's factory.
They make multiple flashlights for different companies as an OEM. Whoop. So these torches immediately caught my attention. Does that look familiar? Got Raylight, Prometheus. Whoop. It's a massive A1. Some of the older models here, really like the AAA and AA size EDC type torches. We've got the more modern X series. Got the Falcon with the heatsink and fan. Some nice floody emitters. And the little X0s. Whoa. I really like the PCB design. Got the X1s. This one's quite heavy, about 250 grams. We've got the G1, which is connected using ultrasonic welding. So Wuben is also known as Dongguan Shengji Lighting Technology Co. These are their partners. This is some of the raw material that they're using at Wuben. Got aluminium tubing that they'll use to cut down and use a CNC machine to cut to size. Here are the CNC machines that are cutting down the tubes. So this is the head of the L1. Here's the CNC machine. Whoop. Let me see. Boom. This is the X0. So these are some of the parts that have been semi-finished. Here's a CNC machine cutting some raw titanium into X0. So here's the raw titanium bit. It's being cut down to produce the X0. Here's a closer look. This is the Wuben H5. Here are some of the different parts that are used in the CNC machine. So this is the head of the A1. After it's been anodized, this machine cuts the shelf and makes it smooth again, so the MCPCB can sit on top and transfer the heat efficiently. Check out the SMT workshop. It's a massive wall of drivers. So cool. This room has heaps of stencils for putting solder paste on. There's heaps of components. This machine takes PCBs, automatically loads them, and puts solder paste on them. Once the PCBs are loaded into here, and the pick and place machine will then put the components on top of the solder paste. The PCBs with the components then go through here to be reflowed. This is the massive reflow oven. If there's any issues with the reflowing process, they can fix them with this hot plate. There's heaps of wireless charging components for the Wuben X3. Here are the remote controls for the Wuben A1. There's heaps of MC PCBs for the Wuben A1 here. This is the A1 driver. It's got really chunky wires for the current. This is where the red Loctite gets put on. This is the assembly of the Wuben T1. The driver's being put into the head. The head's being attached to the tube. With the MC PCBs being inserted. Cool. It's got the reflector, then the tail cap. So much aluminium, so cool. This is where Wuben do the quality control. This is where Wuben are checking the battery capacity. Got some 18650s here. This is where Wuben's testing the G1 by charging it. And this is where Wuben's testing the A1 by charging it. This is where the switches are being tested. They do 10,000 clicks. To test if the torch is waterproof. This is for testing the temperature and humidity. Here's the integrating sphere for testing the lumen output and runtime. It's got a runtime plot of lumen output. So this is the final stage of the Wuben X1 being assembled and packaged. This is where tungsten filaments are being assembled. There's no electronics here.